Hello everyone, this video is about KT200 ECU Programmer clone ECU data in boot mode. ChipTuningKit technician will show how to read and write ECU data and test the BMW MSV90. This is the ECU we are going to test with the KT200 ECU Programmer today. Firstly, open the KT200 ECU Programmer software. Click to Manual. Enter MVS90 and select ECU to get the wiring diagram. Now, we need to connect the ECU with the pinout line via a wiring diagram. This is the ECU wired up by our ChipTuningKit technicians. Then, we connect the ECU and KT200 ECU Programmer through pinout line. Click to select driver and tool boot. Select the ECU module and click on OK. Click Connect and wait for the connection to succeed. Create a new folder on the desktop. Now we are ready to start reading the data in the ECU. Then click Read All to select the save path and save it to the newly created folder on the desktop. Please wait patiently until the data is read completely. Save the ECU data read by KT200 ECU Programmer in the newly created folder. Now let's change to a new ECU for connection, and select Write int flash micro and write EEPROM to write separately. Attention! Please select Write int flash micro and write EEPROM to write separately. Write your modified ECU data separately and wait patiently for the writing to complete. Write your modified ECU data separately and wait patiently for the writing to complete. For more information on ChipTuningKit, KT200 ECU Programmer, please visit www.chiptuningkit.com. In the next video, we will bring you the complete unboxing video of the KT200 ECU Programmer. See you in the next video. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.